Well, good Saturday, folks. A wild end to the work week weather-wise, and now some calmness here for the weekend. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Taylor with Maryland's most accurate forecast. We fall back this weekend, 1 hour extra in the sleep department, and a reminder to check and change the batteries in the smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Sunday sunset, 1 minute after 5 o'clock. Blue skies everywhere out there, some clouds mixed in at times. Also a lot cooler, good day for a golf game, right around 60 degrees, only 32 right now in Deep Creek. Winds are still pretty stiff out in the northwest, upwards of 15 to 20 miles per hour. Radar is dry. Storm reports from last night still coming in. A lot of wind reports out there, damaging winds. Haven't got any tornado confirmations yet, but we will be checking in with the National Weather Service here later on the report on what happened in Mount Airy as well as Dundalk. Satellite and radar combined storm system yesterday is gone. Storm system number 2 is on our heels, but we're in cruise control for the time being here as the rest of the day wears on and even through much of Sunday. Great day for football. Easterly breeze coming in at 5 to 10 and temps in the 50s, and then we bring on the rain again, unfortunately, as we get towards Monday. This is a warm front that's going to come through, and then severe weather by Tuesday for Election Day. 58, sunny skies, breezy at times. Overnight tonight, getting colder out there. Temperatures falling into the 40s. 38, clear, cold, and calm. The 3 season plays, a layer alert, and a cold start. And a superb Sunday on tap with temps in the mid to upper 50s. Things get interesting here for the Ravens forecast. No wind, blue skies, and sunshine. But the interesting thing is, it's a rivalry game against the Steelers. Kickoff at 1 o'clock. We hope to see there in purple, although the uniforms that the Ravens will be wearing tomorrow will be black on the field. So show up and support the Ravens tomorrow. 58 degrees for your Sunday, rain again on Monday, then severe weather possible for Election Day. Temps still in the 60s near 70. Another cold push with more rain by the end of next week. Remember, you can download our free mobile app available at the Apple and Google Play Store. Just search WMAR2 News. Follow us here on WMAR2News.com and keep it on Facebook and Twitter for the latest weather information. For now, have a great and safe rest of your weekend ahead.